So one of the things that people always ask about or are always concerned about when coming here is it safe? Because they hear so many rumors or some news report about somebody who wasn't all that smart, who got into trouble, and now suddenly it's not safe. I have been here, well, this year will be 10 months out of the year that I will have spent here, and I feel very safe. What do you say about the safety?
I've never had an issue at all walking down the streets. I mean, sometimes we're out 2 or 3 in the morning walking home and never had a problem.
Why are you out to 2 in the morning, Dawn?
Hey, we got lemon drop martinis to drink and dances to dance, baby. We got things to do and people to see.
Exactly, exactly. So, Ciara, as a Dominican, what advice would you give to people visiting here that are concerned about their safety? What would you tell them to do or not do?
So here is really safe. So you can walk in the night and you are not going to have any problem. And people also take care of you. And also in every condo, they have security. So, and it's really safe. The Politor is always on the street taking care of you. I mean, it's really safe.
Yeah, so I fell the other day on the sidewalk because I was trying to avoid a mud puddle and I fell on my shoulder. And I mean, people came from everywhere all of a sudden to help me up and to make sure that I was okay. I feel safer here than I do at home.
I agree with that. And a lot of the times that you do see something going on, it's because somebody's had too much to drink or something like that. And the security guards, the Politor, will go to them and make sure they're okay.
Right,
And the Politor, they're up and down the streets, which is the tourist police is the Politor, but you see them everywhere and they're very friendly. I've asked them for directions. I've asked them for a ride. I mean, they're there to help the tourists.
Right, right. And even the Dominicans that are in this area, there's a disabled guy that I have talked to from time to time. And I was heading down a street looking for a Kamado, and I shouldn't have been going down that street. And he comes running after me with his crutches to say, stop, stop, stop. What is it you're looking for? I told him what I was looking for, and he walked me to another store that was in a safe area. And he stood there to make sure the guy didn't overcharge me. It's a great story. I love telling that story.